Okay, here we go. We are going to take off the jet and watch the landing gears explode. Well, that'll be take one. This time I'm not going to steer, but I wanted to demonstrate how steering the craft caused the landing gear to explode. This time I'm just going to pull back on the control stick. I'm going to give no rudder or aileron input whatsoever. And as you can see, the landing gear overstressed. Couldn't get a good view of the bottom there because the camera messed up. Let's try that one more time. Okay, now we're in locked camera mode, so I can put it right down at the runway. And again, I'm going to give it full throttle. I'm going to just pull straight back, and the landing gears in the back will explode. Well, it actually worked that time. That's interesting. And you could actually see them wobble sideways as it was trying to get off the ground. I'm going to try this one more time. This time I'm going to give it afterburners on takeoff to replicate what I did the first time. You can see that the back landing gears both exploded off. So this behavior does not happen in Kerbal 1.05. It's definitely a regression. And you know, this craft is not exactly tiny, but it's not big enough that I would expect that you really need a medium landing gear. I mean, the small certainly visually looks appropriate, but anyway, thanks for watching.